Giannis from Corsair. I wanted to quickly tell you why you shouldn't coat your car with a ceramic coating. So listen, lately we run into a couple of situations where we actually ceramic coated the vehicle and the owner of the vehicle decided to wrap the whole car in a different color, vinyl wrap it. So yeah, I gotta say it took me probably about 8 hours to remove the ceramic coating, and it costs almost as much as to ceramic coat the whole car. So yeah, so a couple of things why you should not ceramic coat your car. If you're thinking in future to wrap the car, you know, or put any decals on it, that's one of the reasons why not to ceramic coat your car. Another reason why not to ceramic coat your car is if you are a big fan of these membership car washes, you know, when you pay, you know, 50 bucks, 100 bucks, whatever, and go as many times you want, you should not ceramic coat your car because it's definitely going to ruin the ceramic coating. It's going to ruin your paint. So there's completely no point to do so. Okay. Another one of the things for the cars that are a little bit older, single stage paint, things like that. You know, car collectors, all the cars, all the Porsches and whatnot. Again, single stage paint can be ceramic coated. It can enforce the hardness of your paint. However, the single stage paint, you want it to breathe. So wax is still not dead. You know, wax is considerably, quality of waxes have gone up considerably more. You know, so they stay around for not that long. But however, still, you know, wax is not dead. You can still use the wax. You can use synthetic wax, you know, and also a type of sealant. So not everything has to be ceramic coated. Obviously, I love ceramic coatings. I'm all for it, and you should be for it too. If you get a new vehicle, get it protected. You know, you're gonna enforce your clear, gonna make your clear coat way stronger. It's gonna be super hydrophobic. You got self-cleaning capabilities, and yeah, I can't tell you enough about it. So yeah, that's our bread and butter. Come and see us at Corsair. But you don't have to do it for several of these reasons, and just yeah, be aware of that. If you have plans to vinyl wrap your car, or if you're a fan of car washes, don't do it. Waste of money. Trust me. Okay, check this out. This is a Tesla Model 3 2021 black. Okay, this car has to have a ceramic coating on it, in my opinion. One of the biggest things is, on the average, car's clear coat is rated between 2.5 to 3.5 H in hardness. Okay, because this vehicle is made in America and in California specifically. They have a different type of restrictions what they are allowed to add to the paint, which means obviously California, everybody's nice, everybody's super polite, and paint is fucking soft. So yeah, you should definitely ceramic coat your Teslas because the paint's super soft. And again, if you would take this vehicle to automated car washes, you would see a proper paint damage within months. I mean, sometimes even after a few times. So yeah, if you think about German cars, you know, like Audis and BMWs, Mercedes, clear coat is super hard, up to even 4H. You know, something's that made in California, or let's say GM black, like black GM paint, super soft. So get it protected, or at least treat it nicely if you want it to shine. So yeah, this is in progress. So we have decontaminated the whole vehicle. We have cleaned the interior. We also ceramic coated all the interior parts, like the seats, the steering wheel, and everything. So we polished the whole vehicle. It's crystal clear right now. What we're going to do is we're going to install the 5-year coating that's going to bring that hardness from about 2.5 H to 9 H. So it's going to be 3 times harder. Here is Eric. Check this guy out. So this is our wheel coating station. So we remove the wheels. Again, we wipe them down, we wash them, and then we have this cool spinny thing. Look around, it spins, spinning. The wheel of fortune. The wheel of fortune. This is how we coat the wheels, with a lot of fun. Every wheel gets a lot of fun here. So yeah, so we slowly go around with ceramic coating, covering all the areas. You know, we waited to react with the surface. It's called, what is it called? It is called, what is it called? Rainbow. Yeah, we waited for a rainbow effect, and then we just remove the coating. So the good thing about this feature that we're doing on these Tesla wheels, the dirt won't stick to it. The brake dust won't stick to it. Even if the wheels get dirty, it's going to be super easy to remove it just with the soft microfiber cloth. And the wheel, the brake dust will never burn to the wheel, which usually ruins the wheel. So yeah, thanks for tuning in again. Again, just keep an eye on our